How to delete story on TikTok. So if you want to delete a story on TikTok, then what you need to do is open up your TikTok application at first. Once you've opened your TikTok, now what you need to do is go for your profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, you need to simply go for the upper side of your profile and tap on the profile picture, which has that plus icon. Tap on the plus, and once you're here, you need to simply go for story. And once you're here on the story, you can simply take a story right now, or you can go for upload, which is on the bottom right, and then you can choose any photo to upload to your story. So for example, I'll be choosing the photo. Once you've chosen the photo, now you can simply go for your story, which is on the bottom. And once you've tapped on story, you can go for the profile, which is on the bottom right again. And here your story has been uploaded. So that's it. That's how you can upload a story. And now if you want to delete that story, you need to again simply go and open up your story and then tap on share, which is on the bottom. Once you tap on share, here you will have delete option. Tap on delete, and that's it. Once you tap on delete, it will delete your story. So that's how you can delete your story on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.